How to delete RedNote account. Hello and welcome back to our YouTube channel How to Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can delete your RedNote account. In order to delete your RedNote account, first of all, open your RedNote application on your mobile device and make sure you are logged into your account. Once you are logged into your account, you will land on this home page. Here, tap on the Me icon at the bottom right corner of your screen. By doing so, you will be taken to this page. Now here, tap on the gear icon next to the profile icon at the right side. Once you tap on it, you will be taken to the settings page. In the settings page, you will need to tap on this account security option at the very top, and in this page, you will be able to see account cancellation option at the very bottom. Simply tap on this option, and after that, you will be taken to this page. Here, you will need to tap on the little circle at the bottom and then tap on this red button below. Now you will need to select any reason for your account cancellation from the available options. Simply tap on one of these options and tap on this button at the very bottom, which is the delete button. By doing so, pop-up will appear. You will need to tap on this red text, and by doing so, you will see your account has been successfully deleted. By doing so, you will see you have been logged out from your account. Now your account will be scheduled for deletion, which can take 24 hours. Also note that to delete your account, you will need to ensure that you have not changed your password in last 15 days. And deleting your account is permanent. So by following these steps, you can successfully delete your RedNote account. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also hit that bell icon to never miss any updates from us. Thank you for watching.